Want to earn extra cash and fast-track your financial goals? Look no further than online surveys. Discover top legitimate survey sites like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site offers different availability, age requirements, and payment methods, so consider these factors when choosing. When selecting survey sites, reputation, survey quantity, and payout methods should be taken into account. To maximize your earnings, complete profiles, take advantage of free offers, and prioritize surveys with the highest payout rates. Implementing best practices such as creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software can enhance your survey-taking experience. Watch out for warning signs like membership fees, lack of customer reviews, and requests for private information, as they may indicate potentially illegitimate survey sites. Rest assured, surveys for money are legitimate and typically take just 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some platforms even offer instant cash or signing bonus points. Companies value your feedback and pay individuals to gather market research and consumer feedback through surveys. Start making money today by participating in online surveys.